The president's latest poll numbers indicate his performance on the job is gaining more public approval. This as a result of his rousing State of the Nation speech in which he vowed to hold corrupt elements into account and his resounding India state visit a success. A Harley Valbuena hashes over the numbers.
The satisfaction rating of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. jumped to 35% according to the survey of WR Numero Research from July 29 to August 6, 2025. This is higher than the 29% satisfaction rating of President Marcos in a survey from March 31 to April 7. Under the 35% satisfaction rating, 4.9% are very satisfied with the Marcos administration, while 30.5% are satisfied. 32% meanwhile are dissatisfied, and 33% are undecided. The president got the highest satisfaction rating in Luzon with 42.8%, followed by Visayas with 37.6%, 25.8% in Metro Manila, and 20.5% in Mindanao. The fulfillment of the promise of a 20 pesos per kilo rice is seen as one of the main contributors in the rise of the president's satisfaction rating.
If you look at the numbers, if you look at where he actually improves in terms of performance assessment, it's mostly concentrated in Visayas. We know that the 20 peso rice initiative was piloted in Cebu and other parts of the Visayas region, so that might have contributed.
Meanwhile, Vice President Sara Duterte's satisfaction rating is recorded at 47%. This is lower than her 50% satisfaction rating from March to April survey. It also shows in the survey that 34% of Filipinos disagree with Supreme Court's decision to declare unconstitutional the articles of impeachment against the Vice President.
There is a higher degree of disagreement when it comes to the Supreme Court decision, which is 34% versus 26%. More people actually favor having the impeachment trial.
However, the SC still got a high satisfaction rating of 58% from the previous 49%. The satisfaction rating of the Senate also increased to 49% from 44%, while the House of Representatives got 44% from the previous 48%. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.